Hi, this is an overview of the new marketplace and shop experience on OpenSolar with our newest distribution partner in the US, Sunrgy Solar Distribution. We're so excited to welcome Sunrgy to the OpenSolar community and to be able to offer their entire suite of hardware products in our design and proposal experience and through the shop catalog on OpenSolar. Let's go ahead and take a look at how it all works. And to get started, we're going to enter a project address right here in the search bar and then click on the address to get started. This is going to pull up our design tool, and you want to make sure you've got the right property centered in this white checkered box before hitting Create Project to get started. Once you've done that, you're going to enter our project management page, where you'll then be able to manage all the stages and action items of the project, as well as the customer contact information. Once you've filled in all of that, you can move over to our energy page here, and this is where you can go ahead and enter your utility and usage information. With OpenSolar, you can enter kilowatt hour values, bill dollar values, and even do a low, medium, or high estimate, or upload interval data directly from your utility partner for the customer. Once you've got your usage information, make sure you've got the right utility company and rate plan selected here. We have a vast database of all the utilities and rates that you can find. After that, you're going to navigate to the OpenSolar Design Studio, and in the Design Studio here, this is where you can go ahead and build your designs. Now, OpenSolar has a lot of ways to design your system. You can do our 3D mode, our 2D mode, or our manual mode, but the 3D mode will have all the automation and accuracy for shading, azimuth, and pitch detection. While we have a really simple and easy designing process for 3D, we have recently introduced our auto design or ADA functionality to instantly design and build your systems. Simply click on auto design right here. You'll be able to set some templates in the back end of OpenSolar for what kind of design you want, like target offset or max fit or max savings. Simply hit the plus button on what designs you'd like the system to do here for you, and then OpenSolar will go ahead and use our ADA tool to design a couple different designs automatically with a click of a button. This saves you a ton of time and energy in the process. You can switch between the different designs like the max fit or the target offset, and you'll see all the different places that you can place panels. With the target offset feature, you can come in here and then turn on and turn off which modules you want to use. So if you want to go ahead and adjust the design, it's pretty simple to do so. I'll go ahead and just make a little bit of a cleaner rectangle here to have a really nice array on my south-facing exposure. Anytime you make changes or adjust the module design, you're going to get automatic calculations on the system size, the offset, and the average production for this system. With our design tool, you can go ahead and change whether it's a flush, a single tilt, a dual tilt. You can adjust azimuth and slope. You can even take a look at the entire shading analysis, which gives you a full 365-day view of exactly what solar is going to do for your home. You can look at certain times of day and times of year to see the shading impacts, all the way down to the module level here. Once you've built your arrays, you can easily go ahead and design your mounting. We have a number of mounting partners you can work with here, like IronRidge, Sunmoto, K2, and now Unirack, to do instant bomb generation and instant racking designs. We also have automation around your inverter and your battery solutions. And with all of your products, when you search our database, you can search by Sunrgy to see what's available and what's in stock from Sunrgy Solar Distribution. Make sure to reach out to their team to get an account to view account level pricing as well as inventory from your local branches. If I want to work with these Canadian solar modules, for instance, I can go ahead and select these by choosing Sunrgy and then select, and that's going to go ahead and add it to my bill of materials for the project. OpenSolar will go ahead and build a live bill of materials here for you with the products and availability from our distribution partners right in your design tool. That way you can know exactly what you're designing with and whether it's available and what the pricing is. This will help you accurately figure out what the cost and pricing is for the system, including adders and commissions, giving you a full breakdown of your costs, your pricing, and your margin right in every project in OpenSolar. Taking a look at another design we've built here, you can see the full bill of materials for the system right here on the right. And it's actually going to go ahead and build all of this out for your modules, your inverters, your racking, your batteries, all right here in the tool. You can go ahead and set your different payment options in all of our different finance providers in our payment tab to make sure you're offering the right solution to your customer. And then the online proposal here will let you view the proposal with the customer, showing them a preview of these different system designs you built, as well as the financial options you're proposing. It'll list all of your equipment in here, all the information on performance and production, as well as pricing and the ROI and savings for the customer. Everything is available in OpenSolar, including doing the credit checks, the pre-approvals, all of the loan docs here for any finance provider. You can even sign your agreement directly through OpenSolar with DocuSign and even process your deposits and milestone payments with our cash flow feature, all from the proposal, which can easily be sent to the customer here through a variety of different methods. Once you've sold your system, you can go to the hardware tab, and this will allow you to check out your order from the distributor. With Sunrgy here, you can select what products you want to use, and if certain products are out of stock, you can easily look for alternatives, or you can select pricing or availability from stock on hand. Once you've got your equipment you want to order from Sunrgy, it's really easy here to go proceed to checkout, and then you can move right through the order flow here. You can choose what you want to check out with, cash or credit. Direct pay will be very soon, and you can even choose your delivery date here for when you would like that project to ship. You can fill in any different delivery instructions as well as review your parts list, and then you can go ahead and submit your order to the Sunrgy team to go ahead and be processed and shipped to your job site. You can ship to multiple job sites, to a single job site, or even to your warehouse, all from the same checkout flow. We also have the marketplace available, and the OpenSolar marketplace here will let you search for Sunrgy's products and their whole catalog right in OpenSolar. You can simply come up here and search for different products, like if you want to search for K2 racking products that are available. You can also just search and select from their catalog based on whether you're looking for panels, inverters, batteries, or racking and balance of systems. You can order individual items here. You can order them in bulk. All of this will add to your cart for checkout, which again can ship to any address, whether it's a job site or a warehouse. What's great as well is you can manage your orders. You can see what's been delivered, what's in process, all from right here in the tool. Now, it's very easy to go ahead and connect your account with Sunrgy. If you don't have an account yet, reach out to us or their team. We'll get you set up so you can figure out what your credit line is and also what pricing and availability you have from them once we've gotten that built for you. When you do have your account available with Sunrgy, it's really easy to connect your account. Just click the button right here. It'll bring you down here to our distributor tab. Click on Shop Now, and that'll allow you to log into your Sunrgy account, do the handshake, and then access all of your pricing and availability, all right within the OpenSolar Shop experience. Again, we're looking forward to supporting you and your team, so please reach out to us or Sunrgy if you have any questions at all, and really appreciate you interacting with OpenSolar and all the support for everything we do here and for the Sunrgy team. We're so excited for this partnership and to bring distributor hardware ordering to the US market all in one experience end to end with OpenSolar. Have a great day.